Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that exercise 5.1 fourth one that you have given homework, no, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. Yes.
Ma'am, that
fourth
I
one.
did not understand, ma'am.
Previous class also I only solved that problem. No, I only solved that. See here, 1000 10 then divided by 101. See here, inner divisor 3 digits are there. Then here also dividend, you should choose the 3 digits. See, 100 101 za 101 ones are 101. Do subtraction 0 0 0. Is it? Then take down next digit. The next digit also is the 0. So we can't divide the number. Here write here 0. Then take down next digit. It will become as 1. It is also smallest number to compare to the divisor. This is also smallest number to compare to the divisor. Again you should write the 0 in quotient. Is there any next digits? No. Then you can leave here. Then quotient is 100. Remainder is 1. Quotient is
Okay, ma'am.
100 and remainder is. Yes.
Ma'am, that we can put a point and take another zero and that make, ma'am. We can put
That type of divisions method not in your syllabus. Okay, that you will learn in your higher classes. First you should get perfect in the digits. 3 digits, 4 digit and 2 digit. First you should get perfect in this digit.
I came 100.009, ma'am.
0 point. Why you take that divisor digit methods? Point. I didn't explain. No, that is not in your syllabus. If you have it in the calculator, it will show like this. 100.99999 like that.
No, ma'am, not it in calculator, ma'am.
The decimal points of the division you will learn in higher class. First you should get perfect in this division method. 2 digit number, 3 digit number and 4 digit number. Division by single digit number, division by 2 digit number. First you should get perfect in these numbers. Then you will learn the decimal points. Decimal points means point. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, children.
Ma'am.
Then next I will start the word problems. Okay, mute your audio, all of you. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Now I will start the word problems. Division of word problems. How we can solve the division problems with the help of word in the form of words. See there, first I will give the example.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write this in maths homework book, ma'am.
What you will write?
Ma'am, you will write no, ma'am. That only we should copy, ma'am.
No, don't write. I will tell what you want to write. I will intimate you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
Anushka not, ma'am. Karibasavan Gowda, ma'am.
Yes, Karibasana Gowda. Tell me, Anushka, mute your audio.
In Anushka class only, ma'am.
Yes, Karibasana Gowda. Tell me. Anushka, tell me.
Ma'am, Karibasap is join with me, ma'am.
Karibasana Gowda and you have joined in only one device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will note it. Yes, children. Please see here. Through the word problems, we can solve the division method. See, first question is 4,800 roses are used to make 60 garlands. How many roses are there in one garland? Means garland means ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. That one. See here in your textbook they have given. See first question. Page number 122. First question. See garlands means ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರ ಮಾಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. So ಅದು. Number of 4,800 roses are used to make 60 garlands. How many roses are there? Number of roses in 60 garlands. Number of roses 4,800. Total number of flowers. Total number of flowers. How many roses are there? 4,800 roses. 4,800 roses. By using the 4,800 roses, we have made the 60 garlands. 60 garlands. How many we have did? 60. How many roses are there? 4,800 roses. By using these 4,800 roses, we have did 60 garlands. How many? 60 garlands. In each garland contains how many roses? Each garland contains how many roses? We have the here. Don't write. Listen here. Don't write. Number of roses in 60 garland. How many roses are there? 4,800 roses. How many roses are there? 4,800 roses. How many garlands are there? By using these 4,800 garlands, we have made 60 garlands. Each garland contains how many roses? Number of roses in one garland. Number of roses. We want to find out it. Number of garland in number of roses in one garland. Number of roses in one garland. We want to find out it. In one garland, how many roses are there? What we can do here? 4,800 divided by number of flowers. Number of roses 4,800. We have did 60 garlands divided by 60. Divided by 60. See, do here 4,800 divided by 60. Do multiplication. 60 divided by 4,800.
68 is a 40. Ma'am, 68 is a 480.
See, here 2 digits are there now. First choose 2 digits. 48. 48 is the smallest number compared to the divisor. Then first method what we can do is choose another one digit. 480. It become as 480. See 480 is there in a 60 tables. Yes, is there. How much the 8 the 68 the 480. Do subtraction 0 0 0. 1 will get down. Then next there is no digits. Then what we can do, if the divisor is less than the, sorry, dividend is less than the divisor. Dividend is less than the divisor. When the 0 will come in a ones place, it will go to the quotient. 80. How many? Each garland contain 80 flowers, 80 roses. Each garland contains 80 roses. Okay? Did you understand? Once I will explain. See here, question. 4,800 roses are used to make 60 garland. How many roses are there in one garland? Total number of flowers, total number of roses are 4,800. Then we want to find out the, in each garland contains how many flowers. So number of roses in a one garland is equal to 4,800 divided by 60. Then 4,800 divided by 60. Write down the, recall the tables or write the multiplication using multiplication. 16 ones are. The next, choose the number. Here 2 digits are there now. Choose the 2 digits. But the dividend is less than the divisor. Then what we can do here? Choose the next number. It will become as 3-digit number 480. 480. Now it is greater than the divisor. Check in 60 tables. 480 is there. Yes, 60 into 8 is equals to 480. So 16 8s are 480. Subtraction. The next one, take down 0 here. This is the very smallest number. If the 0 will come in the ones place as in the dividend, it goes to the quotient. Remember it. When the dividend contain 0 as in the ones place, it will go through the quotient. You should write in the quotient place. Only for ones place, not in another. Only for in ones place. Okay, did you understand? Next one I will explain. Second problem.
Ma'am, ನೀವೀಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 80. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 80 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Speak in English. Vaibhav PT, this is not Kannada medium. Always you are speaking in Kannada. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me now.
Ma'am, you wrote 80 is quotient note, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, adi quotient ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು?
You didn't understand this problem 2 times. I have explained that.
No, ma'am.
See here, 4,800 divided by 60. Recall the tables or multiplication. 16 ones are. Then here, take down 2 digits. 48 is there. The next one, 48 is the smallest number compared to the divisor. Then choose the next digit. It will become as 480. Then in the 60 tables, 480 is there. Yes, is there. 68 is 480. 68 is 480. Right here 8. 68 is 480. Then subtraction. Then finally the ones place contain the 0 no. Then the 0 will goes to the quotient. It will become as 80. Then each garland contains 80 roses. Okay. The next one. 3000. See, in your textbook they have given. First I will explain the textbook problems. First you should perfect in that textbook problems. Then I will give the remaining problems. 5.2 exercise. This is little twist is there. Little difficult. Little. Observe carefully. Read the question carefully. 3,769 fruits to be packed in a carton. Carton means box is there no. Packing of the anything fruits, that box, rectin box ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, so ಅದು 3,769 fruits are to be packed in cartons. Each carton can hold 35 fruits. Each carton can hold only one box. The only one box will contain only the one box will contain 35 fruits, not more than fruits, only 35 fruits. See, these all problems are in your textbook. Don't write this in your HW. 3,769 fruits. Total number of fruits. How many fruits are there? Total number of fruits. Number of fruits. How many fruits are there? Number of fruits. Number of fruits. How much are there? 3,769. Listen here, children. The exercise 5.2 problems are based on these examples. First I will explain, then you should solve the exercise problems. Number of fruits 3,769. Each cartoon can hold 35 fruits. Number of fruits in each cartoon. Number of fruits in each cartoon means or box. In each cartoon. Number of fruits in each cartoon. 35. How many are there? 35. Each box will contain only 35 boxes. Then calculate or find the number of cartons needed to be pack all the fruits. See here, we have this much of fruits. 3,769 fruits we have. We have 3,769 fruits. We want to pack up in a cartoon. We want to pack up in a carton box or box. The capacity of the box is 35 fruits. Only 35 fruits. Not more than fruits. Only 35 fruits. It will contain only 35 fruits. How many boxes we want to need to pack up the 3,769? We want to calculate. See here, we have total number of fruits. Is it? We have total number of fruits. Then each box contains 35 fruits. Then how many boxes we need to pack the all fruits? What we can do here? 3,769 divided by 35. 3,769 divided by 35. Write the multiplication. 35 ones are 35. 35 twos are. Do this one. See here, 35. If we didn't know the tables of 35, then what we can do? By using the multiplication method. See, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then next, 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Next, 35 into 4. 4 5s are 20. Next, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Next, 35 into 5. 175. Like this. Then, if we didn't know the tables, we can calculate. 35 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is equals to 21. Then 35 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3. 21, 22, 23, 24. The next one, 35 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. Like this. Then first we want to write the tables. See, 35 here first two digits are given. You also choose the two digits. 37 is there. Smallest number in a table, ones-a. 35 ones-a, 35. Is it? 35 ones-a, 35. 7 minus 2, how much? 2. Is it? 3 minus 3, 0. The next, take down next digit. 26. It become as 26. But see here, observe here, dividend is less than the divisor. Dividend is less than the divisor. Then what we can do here? Write 0 in a quotient, take down next digit. If the dividend is less than the divisor, what we can do? Write 0 in a quotient, take down next digit. Write 0 in quotient, take down next digit. It will become as 269. Check here, 269 is there in a 35 tables? No. Then what is the smallest number? 7. For 35 sevens are 35 sevens are 245. Is it? Now we can do the subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then here 24 will come. 24. Is there any next digit here in the dividend? No. Is there any digit here? No. Then leave here. The quotient is 107. Then remainder is 24. This 24 will indicate left out the fruits. We want to pack the fruits, 3769 fruits. How many boxes we want here? 107 boxes. Each box contains 35 fruits. 35 fruits, 35, 35, 35, 35. Like this, if we have packed the fruits, how many cartons we need? 107 cartons. But here 24 fruits will left. How many fruits will left? 24 fruits will left out. Now 107 boxes na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ remaining 24 fruits ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿತವೆ. Because of we are filling the only 35 fruits in each box. The 24 fruits will left. We have finished, we have completed, we have filled the 107 boxes. But 24 fruits were left with us. Then what we can do? Take one more box. 107 box we have taken now. Take one more box. Only one box. Because of 24 fruits are left now. So take one more box. The box will contain 35. But we have here 24. We can fill up now. In here 24, remaining 24 fruits we can fill up in the 35 containing box. So 107 plus 1 is equals to 108. Total how many boxes we require? 108 boxes we require to fill the 3769 fruits. How many fruits? 3769 fruits. 107 boxes contain 35 fruits. Only one box contain remaining left out 24 fruits. Is it clear? If you have any doubt in this, raise hand. Raise hand. Raise hand. Raise hand. Don't unmute. Just raise hand. Yes, Trisha Patil. Tell me what you have doubt. Tell me first.
Understood, ma'am.
What?
I not understood, ma'am.
What?
I not understood, ma'am.
What you didn't understood?
This sum, ma'am.
The next, Praneeth. Praneeth.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this sum, ma'am.
Okay, read the question first. If you didn't understand now, read the question. Read loudly.
3,769 fruits are to be packed in cartons. Each carton can hold 35 fruits. Find the number of cartons needed to pack all the fruits, ma'am.
Then how many fruits are there? Total number of fruits.
3,769 are there, ma'am.
How many? Sorry. Each box contain how many fruits?
35 fruits, ma'am.
Okay. Then, but we have 3,769 fruits. Okay. First, we want to divide the number. 35 divided by 3,769.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, if we didn't know the tables 35, then write the numbers as in 35 ones by using the multiplication method. By using the multiplication, do this one. Then remaining division method as simplifier division method. As the simple division method.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The next one. See here. Very easy is there. Exercise 5.2 first problem. 1,026 students were going for a camp in a bus, which can accommodate 50 students. The number of seats in a bus is only 50. The number of seats in a bus is only 50. Find the total number of bus needed. See, number of students, how many students are there? Total number of students 1026. Total number of students 1000. Total number of students 1026. Easy is there, don't get confusion. Same method, the number of students, how many students are there? 1000.
Ma'am, you have muted me.
See, 1026 students were going for a camp. 1026. Number of students. Just I will give hint for these problems. Try to yourself. Easy are there. I have explained two problems now. On the base of these two problems, first one and third question. First question and third question is on the base of what I have explained now. That one just you should do division. 1026 number of students. You want to make the sentence number of students equals to. The next one, which can accommodate 50 students. Accommodation in the bus is equals to 50. Understood? Accommodation in a bus is equals to 50. The next, do division divided by 50.
Ma'am, accommodate means what, ma'am?
Accommodation means only ಸ್ಥಳಾವಕಾಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, seats, places. Accommodation means places. Accommodation means place. ಸ್ಥಳಾವಕಾಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, seats, number of seats.
Yes, ma'am.
Places that will indicate accommodation means place. Okay, just you should do division 50 divided by 1026. 50 divided by 1026. Okay, then remaining left out children's, what we can do here? Add 1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we should write, ma'am.
No, don't write. Just I will give hint for this one. You can solve. I will give the homework this one.
Yes,
Second question, the product of, write this one, 50 divided by 1026. Just you want to do division.
Which, ma'am?
This one.
In HW, ma'am.
No, in in textbook only just you should mention that. Textbook alli side pencil al barkoli. Write in textbook inside that. When I will give homework, no, it will helpful you. First one, then second one also is there. The product of two numbers is 9300. Product of two numbers. That two numbers are x and y. Just you should talk that the two numbers are x and y. The product means multiplication. The product of two numbers is 9300. If the one number is 25, they have given the one number. Example, y number 25 is equals to y is equals to 25. Then we want to find out the x value here. Find out another one number. Yaudu ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9300 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The next one, if the one number ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ two numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ one number 25 ಆದ್ರೆ the next one ಇನ್ನೊಂದು number ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Then next one, another one number, which one is the another number? We didn't know that numbers, no? Just I have mentioned here x and y, unknown numbers. See, just do division. 9300 divided by 25. 9300 divided by 25. Then we will get the answer. Try to solve. If I have solved every problem, you can't understand. That wise I am giving the hint for you. You should try this problem in your HW. Don't write in CW. You should try. Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, Karipasana Gowda, tell me.
Ma'am, I not understand this.
Which one? Second one?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Second one, ma'am.
See, second one means the product of two numbers is the product of two number. We don't know that two numbers. Just you should consider the two numbers are x and y. Unknown number. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ x ಅಥವಾ y. The product of two number is 9300. That one number is 25. One number they have given, that is the 25. Consider y is the 25. Then x is we don't know. We want to find out the another number. So what we can do here? 25 divided by 9300. Just you should do the division. Then you will get the answer. Okay, easy is here. Don't get confusion. Given third one also, that is also the division. 12 divided by 648. Form a sentence. You should form the sentence. Sentence is very important in a word problems. Remember it. Okay. Okay, then all of you close your textbook and HW. Now we will learn the interesting concept. Interesting concept. Look at the board, all of you. Look at the board. See, very interesting concept this is. That is, if we got a number by using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Example, see here, 6 into 6 plus 12 divided by 3. Listen here. 6 into 6 plus 12 divided by 3. This problem contains how many signs here? 1, 2 and 3. Multiplication, addition and division. Both are there. Mixed operations. This is the mixed operation. How we can solve this one? How we can solve? It contains addition also, multiplication also, and division also. How we can solve this one? See, in a mathematics, if we have did a method, two method or three method, any methods, but we will get the same answer. This is the mathematic rule. If we have did any problem, any question in another method or another method, but we will get the same answer. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Is it? But see here, 6 into 6 plus 12 divided by 3. This method will contain, we will use the rule, operation rule. That rule is called BODMAS. Yes, this is the BODMAS rule. By using this rule, we can solve the problem. BODMAS means this is the bracket of. Then O means of. Bracket of. Division. M means multiplication. A means addition. A means addition.
Yes, means subtraction, ma'am.
Subtraction. S means subtraction. See, by using the rule, BODMAS rule, we can solve the complex of the operation. Complex sign of operation means this problem contain multiplication, addition, division, even also subtraction. It will come now. Then what we can follow this one? What we can follow? The rule of BODMAS. BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Then first, what we can indicate here? What we can consider here? Bracket. Is there any bracket in our problem? No. Leave that. Bracket of. Okay. You will learn in your higher classes that bracket of is there no? You will learn in higher classes. D means division. First, what we can do by using the rule of BODMAS? First, we want to do always division. What we can do? Division. See here, division is there here. Division 12 divided by 3. Do here 3 divided by 12. 3 how much are 12? 3 4s are 12. Is it? Then what is the quotient here? 4. 12 divided by 3 how much? 4. Write as it is. The next remaining numbers write as it is. First you should do division. If division is over, remaining problems, remaining question you should write as it is. Is it clear? First division. According to the BODMAS rule, first we want to do division. Division. We have the division 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. The next remaining as it is. The next one, division over. Next what we can do? Multiplication. Where is multiplication here? Here. These two numbers. In between 6 and 6 multiplication. 6 6 are 36. Then remaining write as it is. Plus 4. Okay. Then multiplication over. Next one. Which one is there? Addition. Is it? Addition is there. Right here. Addition. Do add these numbers. 34. 6 plus 4. 40. Then what is the answer here? 40. 40 is the answer. Okay. Did you understood? Once I will repeat. The given problem will contain complex signs. We want to apply the BODMAS rule. The BODMAS rule explain bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In a given problem, first apply the rule of division.
Ma'am, V means what, ma'am?
What?
V full form what, ma'am?
Bracket. Bracket. That means in the closed bracket, square bracket, flower bracket. Like these brackets will come. That brackets
Okay, ma'am.
we will use in the higher classes. Give concentration on division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. See, first do the division. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 over now, then remaining write as it is. Then next one, division after multiplication. Do multiply the number. 6 into 6, 36. Then multiplication after addition. 36 plus 4, 40. Okay, write in your HW. Write in your HW. Write fast.
Ma'am, then subtraction, ma'am.
Subtraction they didn't give, no. If they have given the subtraction, we can apply. If they didn't give the subtraction, leave it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I learn in abacus, ma'am. I also, ma'am. Ma'am, BODMAS also we should write, ma'am.
Yes, right. BODMAS also you should write.
Finish, ma'am.
Don't unmute your
ma'am.
audio. Don't unmute. Don't say finish, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. I don't want that mass answers. If you have finished, just sit quiet. I know how much time they want to write. Yes, now I will give one problem for you. Solve this one. 2 plus.
In HW, ma'am.
Yes, in HW. First one over now. Second one. 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 6. 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 6. Solve now. Now only you should solve.
Ma'am, in textbook, ma'am.
In HW.
Ma'am, in HW, ma'am.
Solve fast. Yes, Raksha LK.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer, Raksha?
8, ma'am.
8. Jivan, what is your answer?
8 only, ma'am.
Okay. Praneeth.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
8, ma'am.
Drakshayani. PS.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Yes,
answer?
ma'am. 8, ma'am.
8. Okay. Sanvi.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
14.
What?
14. 14.
14.
Ma'am, answer is 4, ma'am.
Who is this? Raise hand. Don't give mass answer. Just raise hand. Then I will call out your name. Otherwise, I can't get who is speaking with me. Yes, Gurushant, what is your answer?
8, ma'am.
Vinanti,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer?
8.
Okay, 8. See here, now I will check the answer. Someone has given 14 and majority of 8. Then see here, what is the rule, BODMAS rule? What we can do first? See here, division is there in the given problem? No, leave that. Then multiplication is there. First do multiplication. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Write 12. Over multiplication over, then write remaining as it is 2 plus and minus 6. Okay, the next one. This one after what is the multiplication after addition? Add these two numbers 12 plus 2 14. Then remaining number write as it is 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. Right answer is 8. Yes, children, did you understand this one BODMAS problem? Don't.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very easy. Okay? Don't get confusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow this rule. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You didn't have the brackets here. For your classes, 4 standards, there is no brackets. Okay? Then you will learn this one brackets in higher classes. In the 4th standard, only division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Enough? Okay, next class, I will start that. Next chapter, multiples and factors. Do you have any doubt in this problem?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
homework.
No, ma'am.
Homework I will send. I will send homework.
I doubt, ma'am.
I will send the homework.
Ma'am, I doubt, ma'am.
I will send the homework. Okay? I will send the homework.
Okay, ma'am. Doubt is there. Ma'am, doubt is there, ma'am.
Yes, tell me,
Bye,
Gurshan.
ma'am.
Ma'am, page number 121, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
121.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, the column is there, no, ma'am.
Which one? Which problem? Gurushant.
Ma'am, first, ma'am.
First
Thank you,
problem.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, after the finish the class, after 5 o'clock, you can call me.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye,
Ma'am.
Now I have class 8, section B.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Call after 5
Bye,
o'clock.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, Siri. Thank you, bye, ma'am.
लक्ष बिड़ಲ್ಲ
দিতে বলা, মোটটা যাচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, কাম করছি।